Okay, 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 yeah, yeah.
Suddenly my lungs collapse and my nostrils swell. You smell like a fart after Taco Bell. Your awful stench, it's not cool, Anito. You smell like my fart after a bean burrito. A stench so bad, my eyes swell shut. You smell like a taco fart straight from my butt.
Angela, listen carefully.
We have so many problems with you, we barely know where to start.
But more than anything, you smell like a nasty taco fart.
Your terrible odor, it pollutes the whole nation. Your stench is the top story on every news station. You smell like the farts that come blasting through my jeans after eating a taco loaded with cheese and beans.
Mm-hmm.